On the basis of that topic, we will be doing the exercise question. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You are following NCERT itself, right? No? Which book you are following for maths?
Yes, sir. NCERT.
Yes. So this is one example, and then the core topics. Like I'll be clarifying the topics, and after that we'll be solving the question answer. So over there, when I will teach you the entire thing, then I will like, for example, there will be some difficult questions. So I will ask you that, I'll tell you that question, but the similar question which I told you, the topic related question, so that you will be solving it, and we will be discussing the answer in the class itself, right? So when I am teaching you, you will not write anything in your notebook. Okay? When I will teach you, you will only listen to me. And then after that, I will give you 5 minutes to write it down. Okay?
Sure.
Okay. So let's just start. So basically, your chapter name is integers, right? So it is integers. Now tell me, what do you understand by integers? Have you ever heard this word integers, or what do you understand by integers?
Like negative numbers.
Okay, negative number. Okay, only negative numbers?
Negative numbers and whole numbers.
Okay. Okay. So yes, you are correct somewhere, but we need to add something. Okay, so let's just start with, as you said, whole number. So let's just start. There are different types of number. So first, we will be discussing about whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Okay. And then we will be discussing about what are natural numbers. Okay. And then we will be discussing about integers. Right. And after that, we will be discussing about Rn, which is rational numbers. Okay. Clear? Whole number, natural number, integers, and rational numbers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whole number, before that, natural number. So for example, I'll ask you, Mafaz, tell me counting. So from where you will start?
0.
Ah,
0.
No. If, for example, you have a younger brother, right? You are teaching him counting. So from where you will teach him?
1.
1. Have you ever taught someone with 0?
No.
No, na? It's natural. Like if I'll ask you, first tell me the countings, you will like, ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? You will never start from 0, because that's natural. This is what everyone teaches us, that it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's why the natural number, what are natural number that are coming out naturally? So they are like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, but when we will come to whole number, in a whole number, I will ask you, Mafaz, include everything, the whole universe, right? And our earth is round, right? Spherical though it is, but round. So over here in a whole number, you are going to include everything. So over here 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so I hope you got the difference between whole number and natural number. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to integers. So in integers, you are going to include positive number. You are going to include going to include this negative number, positive number, and 0. So it will be like this: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the negative number. This is 0, right? And these are the positive number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So in integer, what you have to include? Negative, positive, and 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you were saying, right, that negative number and whole number. You were right, right? But if I'll ask you what is, so you will say positive, negative, and 0. Okay? Okay. Now coming to rational numbers. So ma'am, what are rational numbers? So rational number are nothing. They are in the form of P upon Q. For example, 2 upon 3. When you write any number like this, that is a rational number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, what you got? Whole number, natural number, integer, and rational number. Okay. So I'm just writing the number over here, rational, because maybe the spelling. Okay. So whole number, natural number, integer, and rational number. These are the types of number. After that, there comes one more topic, which is basically the number line. Okay. Number line. So in a number line of integer, number line representation of integer. So how it look like? It look like this. Okay. Here it will be 0, right? Here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And here it will be -1, -2, -3, -4. So this is a number line of integers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how. So if I'll ask you, represent -3 on number line. So you will draw it like this and you will say, ma'am, this -3 is here. If I'll ask you, represent 2 on number line. So you will be circling this out and you will be telling, ma'am, this is a number line representation of integer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first you will write the chapter name, chapter number 1, integers. Then you will write types of number, whole number, natural, integer, and rational number. You will write the example. Okay. Whole number that are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural number that are starting from 1. Integers that include positive number, negative number, and 0. And rational number that are represented in the form of P upon Q. So I'm again telling you, in case you are unable to write the definition, you will ask me. So in whole number, what you will write? Numbers that are starting from
0.
yes, that are starting from 0, right? And here you will write numbers that are starting from
1.
yes, okay. And then here you will write integers include negative number, integers includes negative number, positive number, and 0. And you will write the example. Rational number, they are written in the form of P upon Q. So what you will write over here? Wait a minute. You will write over here. They are written in P upon Q form. Okay, and this example. Hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So I'm giving you 5 minutes. Quickly write it down. Once you are done, you will tell me, ma'am, I'm done. See, in case you are unable to write anything, don't feel like, ma'am, what ma'am will think that I'm again asking her. Just ask me. I'll tell you what to write. Okay? Don't write anything. Right? For example, you're not getting anything. You are not getting, ma'am, what is written here. So ask me, ma'am, what is written. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now after this, you will write number line of integer and you will just draw the symbol. Okay. You wrote this as well, number line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now coming to the most important part of this chapter, which you have to remember for a longer period of time. Okay. So let's just start. Most of the students do mistakes over here, so I just don't want you to repeat all the things. So let's just start. Let me just erase it. Okay. So let's just start. Okay. So over here, very first thing which you have to remember is the number, the sign. So for example, plus and plus. What does it give?
Minus.
Huh?
Negative.
Plus and plus will give you plus. Two positive makes positive. For example, you are sitting with two positive people. Will you feel positive or you will feel negative?
Positive.
Positive, right? But for example, plus and minus, you are sitting with one positive and one negative. Definitely you will feel negative because bad things attract us more, right? So over here, one positive and one negative will make
Negative.
negative. It can be one negative and positive, same thing, right? No matter whether it is in left side or right side, they are going to be same thing. Now over here, two negatives will make what?
Positive.
Positive, right? Two negatives are there, they will clash it and then they will follow someone who is positive, right? Clear? So when you are sitting with two positive people, they will always make you positive. One positive, one negative, negative. One positive, one negative, negative. But two negative will fight because they are already a negative people. They will fight together and then they will become positive. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are the signs. Okay, so for example, -2 plus 3. What will be the answer?
Minus, no, 1.
-1. Yes? No? Tell me. Be confident. No issues. -1?
Yes.
Okay. So it's wrong. Why? Plus minus is
Minus.
minus. So you will subtract it. So you will get 1. Right? Now, when we put minus or any sign we put, we see who is greater. 2 is greater or 3 is greater? Who is greater?
3.
3. So what sign 3 has?
Positive.
So you will put here positive. In your family, who is elder? He always decide now what to wear, what not to wear, where to go, where not to go. Right?
Yes.
So you will make a plan like I decided that we will go to zoo and something. So you will solve it, but the sign will come who will be greater. Clear? Okay? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will give you one more question. You will tell me. For example, 5 minus 6.
-1.
-1. Why? 5 minus 6 means we will subtract it simply and who is greater?
6 is greater.
6. So that's why minus. Okay. -6 and -8. Tell me.
2.
Sign?
Positive.
Negative?
Positive.
Why positive? Who is greater?
8.
So what sign 8 has?
Negative.
So, clear? So it doesn't mean whether they have same sign or not. We don't have to do anything with that. We have to only focus that it is going to be the sign which a greater number has. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, I think what you did minus minus plus. So you wrote, okay, wait. Sorry. Okay, you gave me the answer 2. Why?
Ma'am, that minus plus.
Okay, so say 8 and 6. When you will add it, so what you will get?
2.
2?
8 plus 6, 4, 14.
Yes. So 14. because they are minus minus plus, right? Wait a minute. So minus minus plus, and what will be the sign?
Negative.
Negative.
Positive.
Oh, why positive? Tell me. Who is greater, 8 or 6?
8.
8. So what sign 8 has?
Negative.
Negative. So which sign will come?
Negative.
Okay. I know you are getting confused because at that stage you are in 7th class. So over there we get so much confused. We are like, ma'am, we are doing plus. So that, like, okay, I'll tell you a scenario. So you will be learning from your mistakes. Okay. So you don't have to feel that, oh my God, I'm doing wrong. When you will do wrong, only then you will get, okay, at the, when a ma'am was teaching me, I did this wrong. So you won't be repeating this mistake in your exam hall. Okay. So over here, I just gave you this question, minus 6 and minus 8. Right? So what you gave me the answer? You said, ma'am, minus and minus will be
Positive.
positive. So you will, over here, you said, ma'am, the answer will be 40. Right? But now you will be like, minus minus, why I cannot write it like this? Are you thinking like this?
Yes.
But you cannot write like this. This is the last step. Right? You can only change the sign when two signs are here. For example, my 6 minus 8 is there. These two signs are together.
Yes.
Yes, so over here only you can change. But if the signs are differently, one is with somebody else and one is with somebody else, you cannot say that, okay, let's just combine it and make something different. Right? You cannot do it, right? For example, 6 is different person and 8 is different person. So how will they collide and make it one? But over here, they both are having together. These both sign belongs to 8. Right? So that's why instead of minus minus, over here 8 said I'll merge them up and I'll make it plus. Right? Because they both were clashing. Right? But here they both are not clashing. It is with 6 and it is with 8. So you will only assume minus minus plus. So what to do? You will add them, but the sign will come for negative because 8 is greater. Got the point? So when you have to merge the sign?
When two negative numbers comes together.
Yeah. Not only negative. For example, it's minus. It's like 6 minus and plus 8. So what will happen over here?
It will be -2.
Minus. So it will be 6 minus 8. First of all, you will merge the sign. Na? Minus and plus are together. So you will write plus minus minus. So 6 minus 8, 2. What will be the answer?
-2.
-2. Because who is greater?
8.
Yeah. So remember one thing. When the signs are differently, one is with other number, one is with other number, then you cannot merge it. Right? You can only assume it and you can solve it and then put the sign. But when the two signs are coming together, so then only you can merge. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll just give you one more question. Let's see how you do it. Okay, wait a minute. Minus 12 plus 3.
Ma'am, -9.
Yes. How? Plus minus will be minus. So 12 minus 3 is 9. And who is greater? 12 is greater. So minus 9. Right? Now
Yes.
I'm going to give you a complex one. Okay, listen to it very carefully. Minus 2 plus minus 6. Now solve it. What you will do?
-2
What will be the second step? Two signs are together.
minus.
So minus 2 minus 6. Right? Now you will solve it. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 4.
What you will do? Tell me. Tell me. What you will do?
6 minus 2.
Why? Here minus is also here na with 2.
Yes.
So minus minus
Positive.
Positive. So what will be the answer? Tell me, tell me.
-4.
Why 4?
No, -8.
Yes. Because minus minus is positive. So 6 and 2 you will add them. Okay. And then who is greater? 6 is greater. And what sign 6 is following? Minus. Clear? Not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, what you will be doing? You will be writing the sign. Then I'll give you 2-3 questions. You will solve it. Okay. Okay. Yes. No.
Okay, ma'am.
First write these signs.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm giving you one question. Quickly solve it. Okay. Question number 1 is -3 minus -6. Okay. And second one is easy. -8 plus 9. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the first one is 3 and the second one is 11.
Let's see. So what you did? -3 and
No, -3 and +6.
So what will be the answer? Tell me, tell me. Whatever you have written. You have written this in notebook?
-3.
Yes. -3. Who is greater? 3 or 6?
6.
So
Positive.
why minus? Over here, what was your answer?
11.
11. Okay. And sign?
Positive.
First. Good. You have written this in notebook?
No.
Okay. Okay, just don't write this in notebook. Whatever question now I'm giving you, write, solve them in your note. Okay, with the steps. Okay.
Ma'am, the first one is -1 and the
-1.
second one is -24.
24.
Yes.
Check it again.
Ma'am, minus 8.
Where you went wrong? What you did previously?
Ma'am, that minus 16 minus 8.
Ah, plus and plus minus, right?
Yes,
Plus and plus?
minus.
Huh?
Yes, plus and plus minus.
When you are sitting with two positive person, what will be happening?
Positive.
So, plus and plus?
Positive.
Yeah, positive. Two positive makes a positive. Right? Okay.
Yes.
So, should I give you one more questions?
Yes.
Okay, let me just give. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. The first one is minus 19.
Okay. Minus 3 and minus 16 is minus 19. Okay, cool. What about this?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Okay, good. I hope you got it now.